At the University of Birmingham, teaching is at the heart of what we do. As a student, you'll be surrounded by leading researchers and exposed to our cutting-edge, research-led teaching from day one. You will be supported to develop your own research skills, whether it is by enhancing your critical skills to appraise research or collecting, analysing and presenting your own data. Being embedded in a research-intensive institution helps you to develop these skills, which enable you to succeed both academically and beyond your time at university. Students also have access to support from a dedicated personal tutor who can provide professional and academic guidance across a wide range of issues. Your tutorials offer time and space to consider your academic progress, celebrate your achievements, and identify any areas where further support is required. Aside from your tutorials, academic feedback is something we pride ourselves on, and we understand that timely and detailed feedback means a lot to you. The feedback we provide may be in the form of annotations and comments on work submitted to our online learning environment, Canvas, but it may also be through conversations with staff, discussions with your peers, or through analysing online examples or completing formative computer-based tests. Ultimately, we want you to learn to evaluate the quality of your own work and to understand how to take on a variety of forms of feedback in order to improve your performance. This combination of research-led teaching, tutorials and detailed feedback will enable you to work collaboratively, solve problems, communicate solutions and develop understanding, which is what makes the College of Life and Environmental Sciences a rewarding place to study.